What to do after BA in English? This is the question pops up in your mind several times. I hope this video will help you to find out your aim in life. Dream what you want to become and you will achieve it by your hard work and willpower. Do visualize your aim and plan to achieve it. Nothing is impossible. Always remember you are born to win. Your positive energy will change obstacles into stepping stones to success. Your aim in life is to become a teacher. It is wonderful because teaching is a noble profession. To become a teacher, you should be a good reader and listener. Update your knowledge in all fields. After BA, pursue B.Ed at a recognized college. With BA B.Ed, you can work in a matriculation school or CBSE school to handle classes till class 10. To get into government or aided school, clear teacher eligibility test and join service through TRB. To work as a teacher in a central board school, clear CTET test. Students, if you want to become a Montessori teacher, after graduation, complete Montessori teacher training courses, and if interested, after gaining sufficient experience, you can start your own Montessori school. To become a college professor, you should have an MA in English and UGC NET or SLET. Otherwise, you can have an MA, MPhil and PhD. After BA, want to pursue MA English, then you can become a teacher or content writer or technical writer or copywriter, or you can work in editing and publishing houses, or you can become an English language trainer. With Masters in MA Linguistics, you can work as a teaching staff, you can work as a newsreader, you can work as a psycholinguist or lexicographer or content writer or copywriter or editor. Students who are interested to get into media, pursue MA Journalism or MA Media and Communication. After your Masters in Journalism or Media Communication, you can become a journalist or an editor or a reporter or a scriptwriter or a director. With a Masters in Social Work, you can become a social worker. You can work in school as a school counselor or college counselor or child development officer or child welfare worker or community program officer or district consultant. To become an IT professional, pursue MBA in marketing or public relations or corporate communications or human resources. Students, your aim in life is to become a lawyer. After graduation, pursue BL from a recognized university. A good lawyer can work in ministry, government departments and various legal advice organizations. To get into civil service, take up UPSC exam. After clearing the exam, you may be chosen for IAS or IFS or IPS or IRS. The next one is Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Exam, and it conducts examinations for various posts. Being an English graduate, you can clear such examination very easily as these exams have descriptive writing sections. The next is Intelligence Bureau exam. English graduates can also apply for the post of Assistant Central Intelligence Officer through an entrance exam conducted by the Intelligence Bureau. English graduates have plenty of opportunities in Intelligence Bureau. UPSC CDS. Want to serve the nation through the Indian Army, Indian Navy or Indian Air Force? You can apply for the UPSC CDS exam. After going through extensive training for a year in these academies, you will be inducted into Indian Army or Indian Navy or Indian Air Force as officer. You have job opportunities in other boards too, like in banking sector or in railways or in post office or in telephone communication. To get into state government job, take up TNPSC exams or staff selection exams. There are many English testing programs and English proficiency programs for you to go for higher studies or to be a certified English language trainer. To pursue your higher education, you can clear Test of English as a Foreign Language or International English Language Testing System examination. To satisfy your proficiency in English, you can take up Pearson English Language Test, Cambridge English Qualifications, Duolingo English Test, Test of English for International Communication, Business English Certificate, and Integrated Skills in English exams, otherwise it is called ISE. Not only this, after graduation, you can become a soft skill trainer, you can become a personality development trainer or storyteller or a motivational speaker. To become a writer, you should have a flair for writing and communication. You can publish your work, you can publish your book, you can write for magazines, you can write for newspaper, you can write for websites as a freelancer. Lot of opportunities are waiting for you. Always be positive to achieve your aim. Reading should be your mantra to taste the fruit of success. Read continuously and always update your knowledge. Be an effective communicator. Involve yourself in a lot of academic activities. Attend conferences, workshops, seminars to enhance your subject knowledge. Always think that you are a winner. As Shiv Khera said, winners do not do different things. They do things differently. All the best and God bless you, children.